Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss what boosted model tool in Alteryx. So this is the here Alteryx designer, and you can see this is the input output tab, and inside predictive you can see the boosted model. So if I click on this, here you can see the definition of the boosted model. Create a model to predict either a class, male or female, or a value 1 to 100 uses an ensemble of decision tree which is more accurate than using a single decision tree. So this is about the boosted model. So let's understand by example. So here I'm going to drag input data inside the workflow. Now hereafter we can connect with file or database. So click on, and here if I click on the data source, so you can connect with database, and here you can connect with SQL Server, Oracle, and many more. So for files you need to click on this, select the files, and here going to click on use A, and this is the record inside the A. Now hereafter we need to drag here boosted model, and here you should stabilize the link, and here you need to give the meaningful name. So here giving the bst underscore model. Now hereafter you can select target field. So here you can select a demand ID, so it can be more than 2. So here I selected more than 2. Now it boosted model has two parts. One is O, that is for output, next is R for report. So let's go here, drag this to browser, and link with this, and the workflow part has been done. Now you need to click on this run, and you can see this is the designer 64 start running time from this incoming record, and total numbers of rows 3294, and here I'm getting the one error. So here a field here 2 or more field predict. So here if you select so this is the demand ID it's 1, and it's count 1, there is one count, so we need to include one more. Now hereafter let's rerun and check the workflow, it has any issue or not. Now hereafter there is one important thing. So about this preparation, this all those things that I already discussed, data investigation part, this all that I already discussed, and now I just enter on the boosted model. So one by one I will make the tutorial, there you can find. So here you cannot see this time any issue. So here 1.4 MB, and this is O. So now you can see if I give here demand ID, so it count 1. Now here it according to this selected predicate must be more than 2. So here this is the 2. Now hereafter if I click on this, now you can see here this is the output, name is and object. And if I click on the report, here this is the rendering report boosted model. So first is variable demand and supply ID, it's added. Now you can see this is the number of iteration assessment plot, and here iteration and square error loss. Now let's click this booster model on check. I'm not going to check. Let's include distance and rerun the workflow, and you can see this is 32%, it's done. And currently since the record is the higher, so it will take time to complete the running workflow. And so here this is 2 outgoing, one is for boosted model, 22 out, and if I so still waiting. Now here you can see it's done. So time taken 34 seconds. Now if I click this, here this is the input, and see object, name, and report, 3 reports, summary, graph 01, graph 02. So this is here output, name and object, and now you can see this is the graph. So here this is the summary, added one more demand distance, and here you can see there is the one in simple there is one blue color also, and green for cross validation. Here 0,000 2000, and this is the square error loss. So this is the small definition or a small example of the boosted model in Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.